How to chat with friends in Undawn. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are on Undawn and wondering how to chat with friends in the game, then here is how you can do it. The first thing you want to do is to launch open the Undawn game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab from the bottom of the screen, this one over here. And once you're inside this Friends tab, go ahead and select a friend you want to start chatting with. If you don't have any friends in your list, you can tap on this Add Friend button and search for your friend's name and send them the request. Once your friend accepts the request and once they're inside your Recent or Contacts tab, select the friend you want to chat with, tap the menu button right next to their name, and in the pop-up, click on Send Message. Now you can go ahead and enter your text or record your message by tapping on this microphone icon. And once you are done typing in the text, click the Send button and you'll be able to chat with your friends in Undawn. Chatting with friends in Undawn is really simple once you find the Friends menu. Now you can team up, talk, and survive together in the zombie world like real pros. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.